What's going on, guys? My name is Ronnie. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very special package to open up today, and it comes from a guy who pretty much single-handedly disrupted an entire industry and flipped it on its head. That's right, it's a box from Kieran over at Meepo Board. So Meepo was probably one of the first, if not the first, the most popular company to start making electric skateboards at a very affordable price point, under $500, and he has sent me an exclusive, never before seen prototype of his new Meepo 1.5. Dude, I am so excited. I saw a picture of what he sent in here and it's gonna be awesome. Before I go and open this up, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. I've got a bunch of vlogs, skateboarding, longboarding, electric skateboard stuff, fun and adventure headed your way, so hit that subscribe button right now, and then let's go ahead and crack this box open. So here is what's inside. Guys, this is awesome. This is so awesome. First, let me show you the Meepo 1.5 deck. This is the deck on its own. It's got that nice concave, slight W too. Raised edges, oh, that looks so good. With more grippier grip on the back to go and hold your back foot in place. This is a nice looking board. The classic handle. The deck itself is actually really light. Maybe we'll use this to deck swap something. But the reason why this is packed separately is because he has sent me a special version of the Meepo 1.5, Meepo KT. If you can guess what KT stands for in the comment section down below, I will go to your house and battle you in a breakdance battle. If you guessed Kicktail, you are absolutely right. Yes. Dude, that's so sick. Look at that. Oh! And there's actually a special surprise on the other side. It even has the nose guard bumpers in case you run into a curb or something to protect it. That's sick. Same for the back, it's got that extra grip to keep your back foot in place. Guys, this thing is sick. These kicktails are huge. All right, let's see what's in the extras box. Charger, another T-tool with mounting screws for the wall mount. Ooh, extra hardware for the deck swap. Thanks, Kieran. Another rear tail light, a remote, and business cards, just in case anyone has questions about the board and you don't feel like talking about them and answering all those questions. Just hand them one of these and be like, yo, there's all your answers. An extra remote, a Meepo bracelet, one of these, and I think that goes to this, which I believe should be a battery? An extra battery. Thank you very much. Back to this Meepo KT, Meepo Kicktail, whatever you want to call it. Take a look at the underside, guys. Tell me that is not awesome. A Meepo board with an actual graphic, that's so sick. Now this is my first V1.5 model, and it looks like all the enclosures and everything like that is actually much cleaner this time around from my first generation Meepo board. Everything is nicely put together and it doesn't look DIY like the old one. Look at these kicktails though. These kicktails are huge. Kinda looks like a freestyle longboard board if any of you guys know what those look like. It's got the big tails and got some pretty nice room. You could probably do some longboard dancing, some no complies and manuals on this. There's a handful of V1.5 reviews on the internet, and this is pretty much the exact same thing, except it has a different deck. So I'm just gonna quickly go over the specs for you. 22 mph top speed, it weighs 14 pounds, it's got 10 miles of range, powerful hill climbing, regenerative braking, and smart turn on. It's very cold outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up, and then we'll go for a quick ride outside to test this board out. While the Meepo board's charging, I want to give you guys an idea of just how cold it is outside right now. 24 degrees. So there's this lake, and I think it's frozen. I don't know how long it takes for lakes to freeze, but as you can see, dude, this is so solid. Please don't break, please don't break. Oh, there's footprints here. Someone definitely stood out here before. I am terrified right now. I am literally in the middle of this partially frozen lake. I have no idea how deep it is, and all this water here is probably sewer water. So if I were to fall in, that'd be disgusting. 100 likes and I'll skateboard on this lake. Alright, let's get off the frozen lake and go ride the Meepo board now. Alright, here is the maiden ride on the Meepo Kicktail. Feels good. This ride feels insane. It feels just like a longboard. Those electric skateboards, they're longboards too, but I don't know how to describe it. Like a freestyle longboard that you ride and do tricks on, it feels just like that. It legit feels like I am surfing the streets right now. There's a lot of room to stand on and it feels awesome. And that was like 30 seconds of riding. I'm already impressed. If you've ever ridden a dancer style longboard, that's exactly what this Meepo Kicktail feels like. It feels, this is the closest that an electric skateboard has come to actually feeling like longboarding. Alright guys, I think it's time for the top speed test. Keep in mind it is about 20 degrees outside, so that may affect the battery, which is why I'm not doing a range test. But I think we should be able to get this to close to top speed. So let's go ahead and do that! 3, 2, 1, go! I can tell you that it's really comfortable. No wobbles or anything like that. I'm not sure how fast we're going, but it's super smooth. Okay, it's really cold. All right, here's a test of the brakes. Right now. Whew. That was fun. The Ride app clocked in at 21.7 miles per hour, and the Vidometer app clocked us in at 22 miles per hour. So we did hit our top speed of 22 miles per hour. It's not the fastest board in the market at this price, but still 22 miles per hour is plenty fast. All right, let's just have some fun with this board now. It's so cold. Let's continue this review inside. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video with my thoughts on the Meepo 1.5. So the Meepo 1.5 takes everything that you liked about the original Meepo, the 22 mile per hour top speed, the 11 miles of range, but with updated hardware. It's got a better battery to prevent voltage sag, higher quality PU covers for the motors, an extra speed mode, higher quality finishing to all of the components, and of course comes with a much better deck. The standard Meepo 1.5 deck has awesome concave, you can definitely feel that in there. And that was my main problem with the version 1. Now the one that we looked at today is the special edition Meepo Kicktail, the Meepo KT. So Kieran hasn't actually confirmed with me that he is going to be selling these, but I really think you should, Kieran, and here's why. That deck feels so amazing. It's the most locked in I've ever felt on an electric skateboard ever, and it really captures the feeling of longboarding, cruising, and just surfing the streets. The kicks in the nose and the tails are huge, and they're perfect for riding off curbs, going over bumps and cracks, even going up curbs on them. I am being honest when I say that that deck has provided the most fun experience I've had on an electric skateboard so far. If you're into doing tricks on skateboards or longboards, I think you're gonna have a lot of fun with the Meepo Kicktail board. So I gotta give the Meepo 1.5 a huge 2 thumbs up. Got a soft place in my heart for the Meepo board. Kieran was the first one to send me an electric skateboard to review. Thank you, Kieran. I also love how active you are in the electric skateboard community by posting on the Reddit, by posting your own no BS videos of your boards, and from what I hear in my experience, customer service is on point too. There was this one time where I posted a video of me trying to do a trick on my original Meepo board and actually broke the battery enclosure, and a week or two later a new one showed up at my front door and I didn't even ask for one. So to me, Meepo board is always a win. There's a reason why there have been thousands and thousands of Meepo boards sold. For the price you're getting a great quality product and great customer service. And by the way, Kieran's not paying me a dime to say this. I just truly believe in what he's doing. Anyways guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. And this video's Stoke Squad Spotlight goes to Ron Busy. Shout out to you, man. And as always guys, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be a part of the Stoke Squad. And until next time, I am out. Peace!